To leave recovery mode on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all, as you can see, I'm in the recovery main menu. And to leave it, simply, first of all, you will need to navigate using your volume up, volume down button and confirm with the power button. So we want to get to reboot. So you can navigate and select reboot and then click on your power button. Then select reboot to system and click on the power button again. That way your device should reboot normally to your system. So let's wait a moment. And as you can see, it works fine. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.